everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Ashley Morris, the owner and lead tutor at amtutors.com. And this is part 3 of our series on combining like terms. Oh geez, this one we have 2 sets of parentheses. I promise you it's not really that much harder. It's just an extra little thing we have to think about, okay? Step 1 when we are doing these, remember we distribute. Go back and watch the distributing property video if you are still kind of about that. Distribute this -3. I'm drawing my arrows. I'm also going to make sure I circle that so I do not miss the negative. -3 times x. There's no number there. There's actually an invisible 1 right there. So if you want, you can write your invisible 1 right there. -3 times 1 gives me a -3x. -3 times 1 gives me a -3. Okay, well, what about this one? There's parentheses, but there's nothing in front of it. Again, it's an invisible 1, and if you want, you can write it and show how you distribute it. The nice thing is when you multiply 1, it doesn't change anything. All right, so now let's combine some like terms. -3x. Make sure I'm making sure I get that whole -3. I don't want to forget about the negative. And same thing here, -2x. Both of those have x's, so those are my like terms. -3 plus -2 or -3 minus 2. However you want to think about it, is -5x. And then -3 plus 3, that's just 0. So some people like to write the plus 0. I would not do that for my final answer. I would just write -5x and call that my final answer. The plus 0 is not needed, so I wouldn't write it. All right, next one, same idea. We are going to distribute first and then look for our like terms. 6 times 3x and 6 times -1. 18x minus 6. And these pesky negatives, I'm telling you, most of the mistakes I see on problems like this are because of silly stuff like forgetting this negative. I'm going to circle it and distribute it like that so I don't forget the negative. -2 times, oh, there's an invisible 1 right there, times 1 gives me a -2, and then the x comes with it. -2 times -5 gives me a plus 10. All right, let's see. Let's combine some like terms. 18x minus 2x is going to give me a 16x. -6 plus 10 is going to give me a positive 4, a plus 4. I hope that was helpful. Please make sure you watch all the videos in this series so you get an idea of just the variety of things that you are looking for with these. If you have any more questions, please reach out to us at amtutors.com. We have certified math teachers that are ready to set up some tutoring sessions for you. And also like and subscribe so you always get the latest and greatest math content whenever we post it. Have a great day.